그래서 꽃가루거든요.
네, 이렇게.
마을 꽃가루.
야!
마을 꽃가루. 1대1은 마을 기거예요.
Yes, that's right. Is pag one-on-one, mahal kita. Yes. Okay. Let's now take our seats and proceed to our next segment. May Filipino Lessons 101 pa dito. I love it. So in this segment, we will get to know more about our beloved actor, Ningbo. And it's time for Iconic Character Gongyong Upgrade segment! There you go, where we will revisit his most iconic drama roles, especially his recent role from When the Stars Gossip!
Yay! Pinanood namin ang asawa ko.
Yes, of course. And as we all know, When the Stars Gossip has been incredibly popular here in the Philippines. So let's dive into Minho's guide to romance with some of his most heart-fluttering and nakakakilig na characters. Play video.
So the air siya gusto ng asawa ko. The air. Grabe talaga.
나랑 연애합시다.
Ay, naku ko na dito asawa ko.
Nakilig naman tayo lahat dyan. But first, in the Minho's Ultimate Guide to Romance is all about confession.
제가 궁금한 게요. 여러분들은 약간 그 공룡처럼 이렇게 조심스럽게 당신 좋아해도 됩니까? 이런 게 좋아요? 아니면 약간 구준표처럼 또는 김탄처럼 야, 나 좋아해 라고 하는 게 좀 감정이 있는 게 좋으신가요?
Well, I have a question for all of you. Ano ba talaga gusto ninyo? Do you like the kumyo na medyo parang manininig and very powerful ang pag-approach when you confess? Or do you actually like the Kujun-Kyo's charm? Or gusto niyo parang napaka-powerful na
Ikaw ang gusto ko!
So I really want to know, what do Filipino Ninos like?
Yes, what do you guys like? What do you like? It seems like parang dito Gujunkyo, dito Tintay, parang like that.
네, 그러니까 어쨌든 필리핀은 조금 더 남자답게라고 하긴 그렇지만 어쨌든 좀 강력 있게 있는 그대로 딱 얘기하는 걸 더 선호하시는 거죠.
So I guess yung sagot is in the Philippines, yung mga Filipino Ninos, gusto niyo medyo parang malakas, yung parang katulad ni Kujun-Kyo na
좀 조심스럽고 이런 거보다.
kahit sabihin mo medyo mahinhin ng approach.
Yes, I don't think so. I don't think so. Yes. So actually, the question is, assuming that this is from Minho standing in the girl's point of view, which of the three would be a total deal breaker? How about you, if you're the girl? What would be
제가
like?
용납할 수 없는
Yes, if you're the girl, what would be like parang, hindi ko yan type. Ganon.
Yung hindi ko type?
No, parang deal breaker ba? Among the three.
So pili ako sa kanila?
근데 세 명 다 약간 그 고백에 진심이 있어서 사실
Pero kasi yung sila, lahat sila very sincere at may point din naman yung approach nila, di ba?
Tama nga naman.
저는 사실 진정성 없는 고백만 아니면 될 것 같아요.
So for me, I think as long as it's heartful and sincere, kahit anong klase, the way it is said, I don't think it really matters.
That's true. May point ka rin naman doon. Tama rin. As long as galing sa puso at kaluluwa ang confession. Correct? Now, the question now is, out of the three characters, which one do you think resembles your real personality the most?
김판
Parang gusto niyo yun.
적당한 자신감과 적당한 배려가 섞여 있는 김탄이 딱 중간이거든요.
Kasi di ba si Kim Tan, parang siya yung nasa gitna. He has the perfect balance of the confidence and medyo, also understanding the girl. So I think it's Kim Tan who shows the perfect.
Yeah! Alright, okay. I love that. Happy ba kayo sa sagot niya? Perfect. Now, let's move on to the second part. Video, please.
기가 찢어지겠네.
Siguro kapag kiss pa ako, siguro wala na ako marinig dahil ang lakas ng mga sigaw.
Uy! Manigawa pala ka sa ng aircon dito sa Mawa Arena. Okay, so the second part was all about the Kiss Masterclass. Right. Out of the three kisses,
Napainom na to.
which one do you think
Nauhaw bigla.
carried the most meaning in terms of the storyline?
Grabe talaga.
On the storyline.
May mag-volunteer daw.
저는 일단 키스에는 정석이 없다라고 생각하고
Well, for me, I really don't think there's any like a master class how to learn how to kiss.
그리고 이런 씬을 찍을 때 어떻게 해야겠다라고 생각하고 하는 게 아니기 때문에
And every
기억이 나지 않습니다.
And every time I film or shoot this kissing scenes, I really don't like have this certain way paano ako mag-kiss. I just really go on with the flow of the story. I don't really...
So, wala siyang memory, ano? Then, the next question is, which kiss scene took the most takes to get right? And how many takes?
NG가 많이 났던 거는 그 무중력 키스 씬이 NG가 많이 났어요.
Yung pinakamarami talaga yung retakes was the one I had to do with zero gravity.
Sabi na.
근데 자꾸 위치가 안 맞아가지고
Kasi hindi ko talaga makuha-kuha yung location, hindi kayo makatugma.
Diba? Medyo mahirap yun, no? Ganun-ganun sila. Tama. That's true. Are you satisfied with his answers? Alright, thank you so much. Now we've seen Minho's Guide to Romance featuring not just Kung Myung, but in various unforgettable characters portrayed by Minho. He never fails to awaken our romantic senses with his roles. Now, let's give Minho a big round of applause. Palakpakan naman ulit natin siya.